Hey, it's Alistair Young here again with RE/MAX and Young Real Estate. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Clayton, and I'm here to tell you about one of our best new listings. Right behind me is this fantastic heritage-inspired two-story family home plus a fully finished basement that includes a lucrative two-bedroom rentable basement suite. This charming home has everything. You get 9-foot ceilings, a large gourmet kitchen, loaded with cabinets and storage, a large island, and stainless steel appliances. You'll also love the backyard, which has 8-foot privacy fence, interlocking brick patio, and a large covered sun deck, perfect for your barbecues and family get-togethers. In addition, you get a nice big shed and a detached double garage, offering plenty of storage. The handsome exterior of this home also has an oversized front porch, as you can see behind me. Finally, you're located ideally near everything: schools, parks, shops, and easy commuting to Vancouver too. Would you like more information about this home or to take a look at this home? Let me know. Alistair Young with RE/MAX and Young Real Estate.